How to change difficulty in Dream League Soccer 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to improve your gameplay experience in football games or trying to make matches in Dream League Soccer 2026, then you can easily change the difficulty in the game. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and from the main home screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner. You'll then be able to see this interface where you'll see the difficulty option. Go ahead and tap on the arrow right next to difficulty option and you can switch between hard to medium. If you want a challenging gameplay, then you can select hard option, whereas if you want to go easy, select medium. Now once you are done, head back to the main home screen and then jump into the game and enjoy your new difficulty setting. If the game feels too easy or too hard, don't hesitate to switch again. The best experience is the one that feels fun for you, not stressful. So that's how you easily change your difficulty settings in the Dream League Soccer game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.